Sziasztok and welcome to my channel. I'm not really sure that I just saved the previous intro while I filmed, so I'm gonna make an intro again for this video, and hopefully the last intro is gonna be saved. So you're gonna be seeing me like this. As you can probably tell after the title, I'm going to cut my bangs to this shape. In this video, I always cut my bangs for myself. Only one time, and that was the only time when I didn't cut my bangs for myself, and that was the first time. I think when you would like to give yourself a new style, when you haven't any guidelines and haven't any help, and you're not a professional hairstylist, I not recommend to cut your bangs yourself at the first time. When you trim your bangs and just reshape it, you can do it for yourself and save some money with this, not go back to the hair salon only for trimming. If you would like to cut your bangs for yourself, I recommend the triangle shape. My bangs is cut in a triangle shape as well, but now I just have to separate it in the front and just cut it again. But if you haven't any bangs yet, you have to section a triangle at the front side and trim your bangs at the first time longer than you originally want to. So I always cut my bangs in my eyes long, so as long as it covers my eyes, because I would like to cut it shorter because I like this length, but if I just leave it like this is gonna be too long too soon. So I always cut my bangs a little bit shorter, but I always cut my bangs to this length at the first time, and after that I just trim it a little bit with holding my scissors vertically. I'm cutting horizontal for the first time, and after that I just hold my scissors vertically, and that's how I trim bangs to the perfect shape. I always leave trim sections each side of my face. This just makes easier to create any hairstyles later. And this is the result, guys. I really love my bangs. I think I'm gonna hold it for a little time from this, but I have oily skin, so it's a little bit hard to always look like this. So I always use dry shampoo only on my bangs. It helps to style it, and it helps to keep it not a greasy mess. Every morning use a dry shampoo. Of course, when I freshly wash my hair, not necessary, but the day after I wash my hair, almost every time I'm using my dry shampoo to style my bangs. So that's it, guys. I hope you really find it useful, and I hope you find some idea how you give yourself a brand new hairstyle without cut your hair down. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Sziasztok!